Hello everyone, this is my first video. My name is Wei. I'm 16 and I'm from Singapore. Some of my hobbies are surfing, skimboarding, and I like to travel. I lived on a sailboat for 6 years of my life with my 3 other siblings and 2 parents. For 6 years of my life, my family and I sailed around Southeast Asia. We were each other's best friends. The way I was raised solidified my love for the sea, and it caused me to chase the waves and catch the wind in sailing and surfing. After moving back on land, I still felt a deep connection with the ocean, and I hope to share that love with you guys. I'm making this channel to document my journey on learning how to sail, and I'll be vlogging all my travels, surf trips, and sometimes just my daily life and what I do, because I don't know, I'm bored. So yeah, that's it. I'll see you tomorrow. Oh yeah, and if you were wondering where I was, I'm on top of the boat. Whoa! Oh my goodness, the whole sky's red. So for the past hour and a half, I've really just been lazing, listening to music, and I did the dishes. I hung up my clothes right there. But now I'm just lazing because I'm waiting for the tide to rise so that I can go kayak and go fishing. But the tide's really low, and if I go, I'll most probably get stuck in the mangrove. I'll update you later when I go fishing.
Okay.
Hello.
One more time.
I'm also probably
One more
not
time.
even gonna use. Oh, nah, that's quick. Hopefully this is so that I can get window. You can see all the mountains and the greenery. First sight of waves. Hello, what's up guys? We just landed in Bali, and in like 2 hours I'm most probably be out surfing already. So I am super stoked to get my board. See you later. Alright guys, so right now we just got to Free Pig Movement. This is Danny. Shaped my board. Black Flame 6.0. Look at that, bro. Bintang. First time in Bali surfing. Let's see how it goes. Hello.
Okay, tell us, how did your first day go?
I just finished my surf session and it went pretty shit, but like it's alright because it's just the first day. But tomorrow will be better. Bang, 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 bang.
Approximately 10 hours later.
What's up guys, this is Vincent. We're going to eat dinner. Alright guys, so right now we are packing to leave because it's the last day and my flight is coming up. So bye bye Bali. Beauty. I'll see you guys later when we arrive at the airport. Bye bye. Right now we're at the airport and we're about to board the flight because we're going home and it's the last day of Bali.
Ladies and gentlemen, please return to your seat. Put your seat back upright.
What's up? We just landed in Singapore. Finally, home sweet home. But sadly, no more surf. We're going to go pick up my surfboard. Hopefully, there's no dings, no broken. Sadly, there won't be any more surfing for me for another 5 months. So I'm not looking forward to that.